Hello friends, welcome to Amazon on my YouTube channel. So my name is Sanjay Nawad and today I am going to unbox this Zebronics Bluetooth headphone. The special thing about this headphone is in the price point which is coming and it offers you many things like Bluetooth connectivity port, aux cable, SD and as well as the FM radio. So without any tension on the go you can enjoy the FM also. It has the many things like and the sound quality is good. And the one thing I didn't like, it don't has that punchy bass. This all it's consider its price point it's good. Um, let's get start this unboxing and watch this video till the end. And if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. So and click the bell icon to get the latest update videos first. This is a Zebronics Bluetooth headphone. So it comes with many features like wireless Bluetooth, aux, micro SD card, FM radio, call functions, and media volume, and 8 hours of playback. So guys, in the website, in this website, they have told that it comes with 9 hours playback. But I don't know it's a wrong box or right box. So I have to open and check it. But here they have wrote the 8 hours playback. So without wasting any time, let's get started, guys. And back you have mentioned some of the details. So same function, guys. You also they have been wrote, and here they have wrote the wireless connectivity around 10 meters. So in which is in everything, I will get this same meter range. It is not the thing. So they have mentioned it charging time to 2.5 hours. So we have to check, guys, after unboxing it, and the weight and some things that which are package contents here. So here they have mentioned around 1,199 rupees, but it costs you around 800 rupees right now, and sometimes go till 900 rupees. So 800 to 900 rupees, guys. In dollar conversion, you can see here. So let me unbox it. Oops. So it comes with like this type of packaging. I don't know why they have to. And inside this we'll get one aux cable and one user manual, guys. So using this you can study about each and every word. So nobody will it. But yeah, guys, please read this to get the full info on this product. So let us come on the product itself. So inside this bag you can found this USB to micro USB. But yeah, guys, there is no type C because it was not long back before. So guys, here they have given some of this texture. So it is printed, guys, not anything they are made in holes or something like texture is not there. Just they are printed, guys, with a white color. And here this bunch are soft, but it says artificial leather, guys, not a pure leather. And here there are the 40 mm of radiators. And here you can see, guys, they have mentioned the right and left. So they can be the big, and here they have given the headrest. It is extendable also. But talking about its feature, so here you can see, guys, here they have been given nothing in this right side. In the left side you can found one mic or LED. We don't okay. So it's a mic, guys. Here aux cable. Here it is an micro USB port, LED indicator, and play pause. Minus, plus, and previous, and those video functions, guys. So here there is a call function also is reliable, guys. So because of that they have mentioned here, they are given here mic. So we have to test, guys, after pairing it. To on this you have to just click it. Don't know how it will on. I think the battery is low. Let me put it for charge and I will be right back to continue the video. So guys, I am back and the resolution level and the sound quality is good considering its price point. So guys, I'm testing this on 1 month. The thing was that I buy this before long, right before 1 month itself. But the thing was, I was not getting a time for editing. Finally, I got it, and by editing, I got that. I have forgotten to record the last part of the video. So right now I'm recording it, and yeah, guys, for price which you are paying, it's good. I suppose a good sound quality in terms of gaming. The noise of steps and PUBG and the shootings and yeah, guys, the more I've tested this in the Call of Duty, I will if possible I give my COD link in my description so you can go and follow me through over there. And and yeah, guys, that's it. And if you like the video, like it, and don't forget to share this video. And I will meet you in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.